So today let us look at one easy way you can make money online with AI. And that method is called affiliate marketing. So each of these AI tools have, I think most of them, several of them have an affiliate program whereby you can sign up to the affiliate program and then you get a link that you can share with people who are interested in the product. So this is AI tool is called Syllabi, and what Syllabi does, it creates faceless videos. Like it can automate the entire creation process of faceless videos without all the editing and things like that. So it can automate the entire process and even publish for you on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, whatever. So and they have an amazing affiliate program which I have already signed up for, and this is my dashboard. So I have 1940 clicks and 7 referrals and 2 customers. So these people 1940 clicked on my link, 7 of them signed up and 2 bought the subscription. So and I received some commissions. So they give 30% of every purchase, every payment, and it is recurring. So if the customer renews their subscription after a month, you get paid your commission 30%. So you can see I have $22.5, but I can only withdraw this money when it gets to $100. So I believe there are some AI tools whereby they are affiliate program you can withdraw an amount. But this one it has to get to $100. So this is one way you can make money online with AI. So once somebody pays, so I get commission. So I get an email that tells me how much I've been rewarded. So that's the way, one way. It's very easy. It's called affiliate marketing, and it is not just for AI tools. It can be for any product. Right. So if you need more clarifications, you can ask. You can also try Syllabi and see. So thank you for watching.